In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create email flow in Canva to Klaviyo. To get started, you will be using Canva to build and publish your email design, and then you will connect that design to an email flow inside Klaviyo. The goal is simple. You create a template in Canva, publish it so Klaviyo can access it, and then you select that template when you set up your flow trigger and email. First, open Canva and create or locate the email design that you want to use. Go ahead and open your email project, and make sure you are on the correct email design page. If you have not finished designing yet, take a moment now to confirm the layout looks how you want, including the main content, images, and any branding elements. This matters because the template you publish is what you will later place into the Klaviyo flow. Once your email design is ready, the next step is to share it in the way Klaviyo can access. In Canva, click Share, then look for the option that says See All. Click that, and this will expand the sharing and publishing options. At this point, your screen should show a list of integrations or destinations you can publish to. Take your time here so you select the correct destination. Now, from the sharing options, select Klaviyo. This step is important because it is what links your Canva email design to Klaviyo's system. When you choose Klaviyo, Canva will prepare the publish action so the template can be created on the Klaviyo side. After selecting Klaviyo, click Publish. This is the moment where Canva sends the email design information over to Klaviyo. Depending on your account and connection, there may be a brief loading period. Wait for the publish action to complete so the template is available when you set up your flow. With your Canva template published, you can now switch over to Klaviyo. In Klaviyo, go to Flows, then choose Create Flow. This is where you will define what will trigger the email and what email content it will send. If you are already in the Flows area, simply click Create Flow to begin a new setup. Next, select your trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the flow, such as a user action or a specific condition. Choose the trigger that matches the purpose of your email sequence. It is worth pausing here to confirm you are selecting the right trigger, because the flow will send your Canva email based on this exact rule. Once the trigger is selected and the flow editor moves forward, you will add the email step. Find and add an email action inside the flow. This will open the email configuration area where you choose the email template and message content. Adding the email action is the step that turns your trigger into an actual message that will go out to customers. After you add the email action, select your Canva template. Klaviyo will show the templates that you have access to, including the one you just published from Canva. Choose the correct template so the email content that you designed is the one that will be used in this flow. At this stage, you have connected your trigger to an email that uses your Canva design. Before you finalize everything, it is a good idea to review the selected template details to make sure the right layout and elements are included. Confirm that the template appears as expected in the email settings inside Klaviyo. And that covers the key steps of creating an email flow that uses a Canva email template in Klaviyo. And that is all there is to it.